Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are fascinating pieces of technology that use a combination of various systems to fly and perform tasks. Here's a breakdown of how drones work. Frame: the structure of the drone, which houses and supports all other components. Motors and propellers: these provide lift and propulsion. Drones typically have 4 quadcopters, 6 hexacopters, or 8 octocopters, motors and propellers, though other configurations exist. Battery provides the power needed for flight and operation. Lithium-polymer, LiPo batteries are commonly used due to their high energy density. Flight controller acts as the brain of the drone. It processes data from various sensors and controls the motors to stabilize and navigate the drone. GPS module provides positional data to help with navigation, stability, and autonomous flight. Sensors include accelerometers, gyroscopes, barometers, and sometimes ultrasonic or optical sensors. These help the flight controller understand the drone's orientation, altitude, and speed. Transmitter and receiver allow for communication between the drone and the pilot. The transmitter sends control signals from the pilot, and the receiver on the drone receives these signals and executes the commands. Camera and gimbal, for capturing images or video, often stabilized by a gimbal to prevent shaking and ensure smooth footage. Manual control. The pilot uses a remote control or ground station to send commands to the drone. These controls adjust the drone's pitch, tilting forward or backward, roll, tilting side to side, yaw, rotation around the vertical axis, and throttle, altitude. Autonomous flight. Many drones can be programmed for autonomous flight. Using GPS and onboard sensors, they can follow preset flight paths, perform complex maneuvers, and avoid obstacles. Radio frequency RF. Drones communicate with the pilot via RF signals. The remote control typically operates on specific frequencies, such as 2.4 GHz or 5.8 GHz, to send commands and receive telemetry data. Telemetry. Data about the drone's status, battery level, altitude, speed, GPS location is transmitted back to the pilot in real time. Drones are subject to various regulations depending on the country, such as restrictions on flying in certain areas, altitude limits, and requirements for registration and pilot certification. Overall, drones combine hardware and software to perform complex tasks, from basic flying to advanced autonomous operations, making them versatile tools in many fields. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.